definitely not as excited about this as some of her other toys. I think it might just be her. I think other kids, definitely do like it. I like this one though because of all the activities that come along with it. Hi guys, welcome back to my Mommy's Life channel where I share with you guys my journey as a first-time mom, dentist, and business owner. Be sure to go back and check it out. It's all about curiosity and thinking out of the box and how that will translate to good problem solving skills, which is really important just in your everyday life. And so I wanted to make sure that Caitlin is also a very good problem solver and curious thinker. So of course when it comes to toys, I try very hard to find things that will stimulate her mind as well as grow with her over time. I think that it's really neat nowadays with some of the toys that, it can be good for a big range of kids. So they can start out playing with it when they're really little, and then they'll continue to grow with them as they get bigger, because I think that's really resourceful and we're repurposing toys, and so that's a really good thing. So today's video is all about reviewing some of Caitlin's favorite and not so favorite toys. So let's jump right into it. So I've got Caitlin here and she wants to show you this little guy. This was actually a gift that she got last Christmas and she absolutely adores it. It drives us crazy because it's loud and obnoxious at times, but she loves it. It's basically a little drum set that she can bang on. There's a lot of little activities that come along with it, so she can follow the beat, she can follow a pattern. There's also freeform, so she can, bang on it however she pleases. She hasn't quite understood the activities just yet, but I think it'll be great as she gets older. She will start to figure that out, so it'll be really fun. The other thing that is really simple and inexpensive, I found these on Amazon. They're these silicone cups. They're really cool. They can obviously stick together, you can stack them, and I never really understood why kids love stackable cups. But Caitlin absolutely loves them. They're super cheap. The nice thing about these is you can actually stick them to things, and so that's another element of fun for the kids. So that's, really cool. And we've taken them on airplanes and stuff like that with us, and so she's loved them. I mean, she's had them since she was maybe like 10 months old, and she continues to take them out and play with them. She likes to stick little balls and stuff like that inside the cups now as she gets older. The other thing I want to show you is this guy. I'm sure all of you guys recognize this. This is a very classic toy that all of us have had. I remember having one as a kid as well. This one in particular is by Melissa and Doug. I thought that she would really like it, but unfortunately she hasn't really been excited about it. She'll every now and again, push some of the beads around, but that's about it. She's definitely not as excited about this as some of her other toys. I think it might just be her. I think other kids, definitely do like it. I like this one though because of all the activities that come along with it. So with this, it also came with a little booklet of activities. It's got educational purpose as well. So you can play games like, you tell the kid to move 4 beads over to the other side, or you move just the blue ones over, things like that. So it's definitely teaches them colors and counting. So it's really fun. That's that. And obviously you can see her on her probably absolute all-time favorite toy. It's this toy train. It's awesome. It's great for boys and girls. The cool thing is it literally will be good for kids that are learning to sit all the way up until they're toddler. So when they're really little and just learning to sit, she just loved pushing the buttons and it would turn colors. And so she was just mesmerized by all the different colors and all the noises. It would sing. So that was great. And then when she started standing up, this front part will actually detach and she can use it as a sit to stand, learning to walk walker. So that was really cool. After that, when she gets even older, you can put it back together, and she's been coasting around. She'll actually sit on it, push herself around, and that's really cool. The other piece that's really interesting is it's also a pull-along toy, so you can take this back end off and pull just the back end of it, which is kind of fun because there's like a little storage container. She can put her other toys inside of here and pull it along. The one element about this toy that she absolutely loves are these little blocks that are inside of here. So there's actually a chute on the top of this train, and that chute, once you drop something in there, it'll launch and end up in the cart behind it. So she absolutely loves it. She will not only try to put these little blocks down, but she'll find any other toys that she has and try to slip it in there as well. So it's super fun. And the other thing that they'll learn to do is these little pieces. They have alphabets on them so they can teach you words and letters. They also will stick together like Lego pieces. And that is really fun for me because I remember one of my favorite things to do as a kid was play with Legos. So this toy, as you can see, has a lot of elements to it, lots of things that will spark creativity and challenge the kid every step of the way. And it's fun because they'll have it for a long, long time. And sometimes we'll just put it away for a few days, and when we take it out again, it's like brand new, and she loves it all over again. So we absolutely love this toy, and she spends a lot of time playing with it as well. So those are some of my highlights for her as a 15-month-old. And one of the reasons why I wanted to put this video together, not only to just share with you guys some of the things that you guys might enjoy in your house, is the importance of spending time with your kids. I think it's really important with all the distractions and everything that goes on in our day-to-day lives. Sometimes we can forget about it, and all too often I hear people saying, oh, I'm too busy, go play with yourself for a little while. And that's really sad. I feel like, Caitlin changes every day and it happens so quickly. So my challenge to you guys is to take an hour where you're just playing, you're interacting with your kids without your phone, without the television, and take all those moments in, because they grow up really fast. They really do. And I love my time with her when we're just playing with her toys, because it's almost like I'm reliving all those things that I loved to do as a kid all over again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you like it, and don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss when I post a new video. We'll see you next time. Bye.